Cookie's chart is very conflicted. In the last price prediction on Cookie, I gave you a beautiful short. I said we're gonna dump, we're gonna pump a little bit, and then we dump. And this is exactly what happened. This video is not financial advice, but I'll tell you my opinion because right now money flow is definitely in the red. It's curving down. But we'll check out a lot of things. The first thing is long to shorts ratio. So these are longs, these are shorts, shorts closing, shorts opening, longs closing, like here. We had 1 mil of longs open and then 900 grand of shorts. Let me just have the do not disturb open. 900k of shorts closed, 450k of shorts open. So it's a very particular time right now. And what I think will happen here is the following. First of all, I want to analyze volume. Selling pressure very strong, buying pressure weak. Selling pressure strong, buying pressure weak. I expect a dump. How big will the dump be? Let me just mark it out. I'm hoping to hear to the 1251 area. But to make a correct decision, I also want to see what the daily chart looks like here. VOOX is curving up. What about the 3 hour? 3 hour is bearish. Yeah, we're bearish. I expect a dump. That's it. It's pretty much it to here or here, 1280 or 1240. That's basically how I'll be trading it. If you want to follow my exact trades, use the link in the description down below. We're up 200 grand, 274 grand on meme coins. We're up a lot. So if you want to learn more about my strategy, there will be a link in the description down below for my course as well, and discounts for Bing X, 8 grand worth of bonuses if you decide to sign up 2 weeks to Bing X, sorry, using my link. You can get exclusive referee bonuses. I'm really tired. I've been training for a long time now. Definitely need some coffee. Love you with all my heart. See you next one.